Welcome once more to our possible UTM question series. Today is for biology. Now, quickly, I'll be looking at organic evolution in few minutes. Now, organic evolution was given by two major scientists and their theory. We have the Lamarck theory and we have the Darwin theory. Lamarck is from the scientist called Jean Lamarck. So it's from his name we got this theory. Darwin too, Charles Darwin. So it's from his name we got this theory. Now, for Lamarck's theory now, he gave basically two main principles: the use and disuse of body parts and inheritance of what? Of acquired traits. Now, what does this mean? Now, back then he gave an example in the olden days, which is what? Giraffe. Giraffe as an animal. Your giraffe that has long neck, right? Your giraffe. Now, he said the reason why giraffe are basically tall, the reason why they have long neck is that because back then in the past, their ancestors used to like stretch neck towards tree. They usually stretch their neck towards the tree consistently, trying to reach out to fruits, trying to get or capped or basically catch fruit. Yeah, so they said that the ancestors basically continuously stretch their neck to catch fruit. So the reason why they have long neck because of the use and disuse of their body part. So they continually want to use their body to capture fruit. So that's why they have long neck. That's what this guy said. Then imagine that thing he said. Now, actually, he's not really correct. It's rubbish. He said. He now even went as far as even saying that, okay, this long neck that is being gotten or what's been achieved, you can now pass it to your offspring. Now, I'll give you an example now. If your father is going to the gym every day, your father now, let's say he has big muscles. Once you give birth to a child, are you saying that that child will also have big muscles to as well? Obviously not. You cannot basically inherit that acquired trait. So basically said this theory is based on what? Use and disuse of body parts. I told you. You want giraffe, always you. They usually stretch their neck, stretch it. That one is correct actually. It can be correct. Correct. Even as well as you, if you go to the gym today to gym, as you are gymming, you are using now what? You are basically using and using your body parts to get muscle. But now the part that is not wrong is this part that is actually wrong. He said inheritance of, so he said that once you now get your muscle, you cannot pass it to your offspring once you give birth, which is wrong. So these acquired traits are not inherited. So this is only what set back to what? To Lamarck's theory. But just that way, he modified the theory. It's also called theory of what? Of natural selection. You get, and also you can call it survival of the fittest, natural selection. You get, so this one basically said that okay, offspring will survive based on those that are stronger. You get, it's a particular example to as well. If you have in a land, you have two different animals. Let's say you have lion and goat, a lion and a goat, or basically you have okay a goat and you have different younger ones. The ones that are older will basically what they will survive than the smaller ones. You get, so is what survival of the fittest, Charles Darwin theory. Very very what, accurate. No setback, no limitation compared to what Lamarck theory. Now these are past jam questions. He said the theory of natural selection was postulated by what? Very easy, Charles Darwin. Yet next question: long neck in giraffe is used to illustrate the theory of what? Of use and disuse, which is what Lamarck theory. Very straightforward. Option A. So option A and option B. Very correct. So I'll see you in my next clip. Be able to follow this channel so you can get more update on when I drop new set of questions. See you in my next channel.